Hello everyone, myself Nikita Khande and today my subject is data structure and algorithm. First of all discuss about what is the data structure. Data structure is a number of name by the location is used to that the store and organize the data. It is also known as data structure. Then next discuss about what is the algorithm. Algorithm is a collection by step solve the particular problem. It is called as algorithm. Then data structure is used to the algorithm alerts the efficient and optimized computer program. First is discuss about the data structure. A data structure is the data organized the manipulate management and storage the format that use the efficient access is the modification. A data structure is a collection of the data value. Then algorithm. There are three common step by algorithm: data search, process seek, and process feed, and multiple categories. Then first discuss about the data search. Consider in a million value of a store item of the grow. Each store become a slower. Process feed is used to the very high and building billion record. Then multiple request is the simultaneous use of the multiple record. Important categories of the algorithm is search, sort, insertion, update, and delete. First is a search. Search is a search item of the data structure. Insert is the insert value of the data structure. Sort is a sort item of the data structure, and update is the update an existing in a data structure, and delete an existing item. Then difference between data structure and algorithm. Data structure is the way of the data and organize the store the data retrieve. And algorithm is used to the specific problem perform the specific task. Then provide a data structure provide a efficient way to organize and store the data for easy retrieve and modification. Then algorithm is the provide is the systematic used to the approach the having breaking down is the smaller more than manageable system. Then example of the data structure: array, linked list, queue, dequeue, and hash table. And algorithm is the example of the sorting, searching, travel. Programmer is the continuously. Then algorithm is the developing efficient is the software solution. And so this is from my side. Thank you all of you.